Assalamu alaikum guys, hope everyone is good. So today my topic is gantry structure. So these are gantry columns and gantry foundation which you are seeing, and gantry is a structure that crosses over an area and can be used for sports or suspended objects. So we are going to construct an underbridge here. So as you can see, the abutment wall and including the foundation has been casted already. On the both side of the bridge is a live traffic area. The first one was abutment A and that one is abutment B, and in the middle it is a pier. So these three structures we have casted already. Now what we have to do is we are going to cast our deck slab above this abutment and pier, and for that we need a temporary support. So we cannot make a scaffolding type here. So for that we are going to construct a gantry structure for the support. So this is the foundation of the gantry, and above one you can see the columns. Now we are constructing in the middle of the bridge and on the right and left side. So one we have cast it already, and the other side of the pier now we are going to construct it. So I will show you the reinforcement work for the foundation. So these columns, these are fixed with the nut bolts, as you can see here, 4 on each side. So we after this one, now we have to, the next procedure is we'll grout it here so that the equal load should be distributed, and these columns are linked together with the links and braces. As you can see, we have constructed already on the abutment sides the foundation, and we have installed the columns. So this is the foundation for the gantry, which you are seeing. The links works for the reinforcement is ongoing. So we are using T16 dia of the bar with the spacing of 20 centimeters center to center. So when the reinforcement will be completed, so after the formwork we'll cast the concrete like this. So after that we'll use the column works here also. So once all the 4 columns on the gantry foundations has been constructed, so after that we'll use the top structure, as I will show you in another picture. In this picture you can see we have fixed the top girders above the columns. So after these girders we'll use the formwork for the deck slab of overbridge. So I am calling it overbridge because the traffic will go from the downwards, and above it will use a train here. So that is our main purpose why we are constructing it. This is a pier which you are looking now here, and there are 2 types of bridges. One is over bridges or overhead bridges, from where the traffic, car, trucks, these are moving above the bridge. We are calling it overbridge or overhead bridge. So the bridge is from where the traffic movement, the car movement is under the bridge. We are calling it under bridge. This is another view of gantry foundation which is ongoing. So toward the road side you can see some vertical bars which has been constructed in the blinding, so that to maintain the verticality and spacing, so it gives easiness. So this is the formwork which we will use directly above these girders of gantry structure. And above this formwork we'll fix the reinforcement, as you are looking now in this picture, and we'll use the formwork for the support for the pouring of concrete. These are the push pulls and braces and girders and plywood to support the formwork for the concrete casting.